Located on Eola Lane in the peaceful community of Rocky Mount, Missouri, this 0.19-acre lot in Indian Creek Hills offers endless possibilities. Enjoy exclusive access to a 40-acre private lake, hunting grounds, a campsite, and a boat ramp, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Plus, you're just minutes from Lake of the Ozarks and the Coffman Beach public boat launch, making boating and fishing incredibly convenient. You'll also have access to Lake Pocahontas, a hidden gem for swimming and fishing. Whether you're looking for the perfect weekend getaway, a camping retreat, or a place to build your dream home, this property has it all. And with owner financing available, owning this slice of paradise is easier than ever. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Morgan County, Missouri. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.